Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from the SEMA show in Las Vegas. And what do we have here? Well, we got one of the products I really like. As you know, I've done a lot of video of roll and lock, and of course, you know I love bedrock. Well, we got a few other things here. So let's go in here. This is the roll and lock A series with the XT rail. And again, I love roll and lock. It's got a super small canister. Got lots of room underneath the canister. As you notice, they do with the bedrock. You see how they trimmed it and they put it actually on the canister? I love when they do that. I mean, you can put the bedrock behind it, but it's great when you put it on the bottom of the canister. Now, as you notice, there's a few other things in here. Since we're at the SEMA show, they don't just want one thing, they want several things. What do we got here? Well, we got, oh, somebody was, take this on a slide here. Let's go put it back in here. Let's see. I guess I should test it out before we get going. I'm gonna leave this alone. We got the N-Fab here, and this is something new. And again, as you can see, it goes right into the XT rail, which is the T-slot rail. With the T-slot rail, you really can put a lot of different products in here. And this is really cool. If you want to bring you're going off-road, you want to bring your spare, and you don't want to necessarily put it inside the bed, you can put it up here. Now, of course, you can use this for other things. You don't have to put your spare there. Let's say you want to put coolers up there or anything else you need storage for. This would work really well. I think this is a great look, and of course, you know, roll and lock is a great product. It's made right down the street from my store in Margate, Florida. And I've been selling roll and locks for a couple decades now, and I like that product. And of course, bedrock, this gives it a real premium look, but don't be fooled. You think it's just plain carpet? It's actually a plastic, that's right. Your hand says carpet, it's really plastic. It can get wet, you can throw chemicals on, it takes abuse. And you want something that looks good, but can handle all your truck related stuff. And this can do that. All in all, this is a great look. And any of these products you can buy from me. You can order it right from my website. You can call the store. The website and the phone number is on the bottom of this YouTube video. And you can ship it anywhere in the country or come visit me. We install it for you. You get a 1-year warranty on everything we install. And we have a promotion. We're doubling the warranty on the roll and lock. So if you have it professionally installed at my store, instead of 3 years, it goes to 6 years. Now that's not forever, but if you can take advantage of it now, it's definitely better for you. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Las Vegas at the SEMA show. Thank you.